guys, welcome back to my channel. Once again, I am back with a new video, how to make career in cybersecurity. Those who are in different fields, different domain are welcome to change their career in cybersecurity. I'm happy to help any of the colleague of mine or any of the friend of mine, those who are interested to change their career. Best example, those who are from Army, Navy or Air Force, they can change their career into cybersecurity, information security or network security. Then you also can. I'm here to help you. Let me introduce myself quickly. My name is Sumit Sharma. I'm having 8.5 years of experience. I'm CISSP, CDPSC, CISM, CC, ZIA, ZPA certified. So these are my certification, and let me tell you quickly about the domain called network security, cyber security or information security. So when we secure information or system, that comes under information security, like data privacy, data security, all these comes under information security. When we secure our internal organization or internet organization, that is cyber security, guys. And when we secure perimeter security, like this is network security or perimeter security, that all come in under one domain, that is network security. So any of the domain which interests you, cause is a vast field, you can apply. I'm here happy to help you. So now if I talk about top 10 certification or golden certification in cyber security or network security are like obviously CISSP, which I am certified into. This is by ISA Square. CCSP is a cloud certification. Those guys want to change their career into cloud can go for CCSP directly. These are certification from ISA Square, and these are the golden certification, believe me guys. Now if I talk about other certifications from ISACA, that is CISM, CDPSC. If anybody want to go in risk management, they can go to CRISC, that is by ISACA itself. Now other certifications of cloud are CCSK. Specifically if you are looking for a job into vendor specification, then you can go for Azure certification. In cloud security, you can go for AWS, you can go for Google Cloud. So these are the few vendors who you can look upon. Now other certifications are like CEH. You can also apply for CEH and have a certificate on. When you are having these type of certification or training or knowledge, then you can obviously change your career. I'm very happy for your, if you comment here for any help, you can connect me on LinkedIn with the name Sumit Sharma CISSP. Obviously you can reach me out over there. I'm happy to help you. Thank you guys. Have a great day.